When will a South African court deny you equal sharing in assets of the marriage? Hi, my name is Aslam Mullah and I am a registered attorney. In today's video, we're going to be exploring when will a court take away assets upon a divorce. Let's just say that you've entitled to 50% of a joint estate. Can the court take those assets away? Let's explore that in today's video. In South African law, every civil marriage is governed by a particular marital property regime. Spouses who do not conclude an anti-nuptial contract are automatically married in community of property. This means that you have a joint estate of assets and liabilities. Each spouse must obtain permission when making decisions regarding the joint estate. Upon dissolution of the marriage, the assets of the joint estate will in principle be divided equally between the spouses. But what are the exceptions? Can the court make a ruling otherwise? And the answer is yes. In terms of Section 9 of the Divorce Act, which deals with forfeiture of benefits, what this means is that a court has the power upon a divorce to take away the benefits of one party, either in full or in part. In other words, the court can take away a car or house and give it to the other person. But what is the forfeiture based on? It must be based on evidence that the other partner does not legally deserve to have such assets. Some of the factors that the court will consider is how long you were married for. Generally, a long marriage means that the other partner is going to be entitled to some of the assets. The second factor is the circumstances of the breakdown of the marriage. What led to both spouses getting a divorce? And the third factor is the substantial misconduct of one of the partners. In other words, did the other spouse have an affair? Were they abusive towards you? These are aspects that the court will consider when ordering a forfeiture. Like I said earlier, any person who is relying on a forfeiture must provide full details to the court. Facts such as photographs, emails, WhatsApp screenshots, etc. And remember, the onus is on you as the spouse who's claiming forfeiture to be able to prove why it should be granted in the case. I must advise you that courts are very conservative in terms of granting forfeiture orders. You must establish in great detail why a forfeiture must be granted. Domestic violence generally is a good one. Prolonged abandonment is another good option. In summary, in terms of Section 9 of the Divorce Act, you can claim for your spouse's benefits to be forfeited, although you have to justify why. I hope you found this video useful. If you need help in your situation, you're more than welcome to click the link below and book an appointment with our office. I wish you all the best and I'll speak to you soon.